नेक्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी इज एसाइलेशन. तो एलिफेटिक एंड एरोमेटिक प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी अमीन react with acid chloride and anhydride by nucleophilic substitution reaction. This reaction is called acylation. This is the primary amine react with acid chloride, or you take it gives substituted amide with acidic anhydride. It also gives substituted amide. For example, we take primary amines. So H removed from here, CH3, NH2 is primary amine. H removed from here and Cl from there. So it forms HCl, CH3, NH, C double bond O, CH3. Means counting from here, this is the N-methyl, N-methyl, meth, eth, counting from 1, 2. Ethane is removed, amide, means N-ethyl ethanamide. If we take secondary amines, in secondary amines also hydrogen is removed from here and HCl is, ये दोनों remove हो गए. It forms HCl, CH3, N, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Means IUPAC name is NN. NN पे दोनों लगे हुए, NN dimethyl meth eth ethane is removed, ide, यानी NN dimethyl ethanamide. If we take acetic anhydride, this is the acetic anhydride, means anhydride group, acetic anhydride. This is a ethylamine, ethylamine. In the presence of base, it also gives C2H5 NH. So H from here and CH3 C double O. नहीं, H यहाँ से रिमूव हो गया और CH3 C डबल बॉन्ड O, मीन्स एसिटिक एसिड बन गया. और यहाँ आ गया आपका C2H5 NH CO CH3. तो IUPAC नेम इज N-ethyl meth eth ethanamide. Means substitute of amides are formed. Next reaction is benzoylation. So this is a acylation reaction. Acylation means reaction with acid chloride or anhydride, acid anhydride. Next reaction is benzoylation. Benzoylation means aliphatic and aromatic amines react with benzyl chloride in the presence of base. Base means aqueous NaOH or pyridine to form benzoyl derivatives. This type of reaction is called benzoylation reaction. In this reaction, suppose we take ethylamine. React with C6H5COCl. It is called benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride. So H from here, H is removed from here and Cl यहाँ से गया. So it gives C2H5 N H C double bond O C6H5. What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name is, just a minute, C6H5 C double bond O. Wait 1 minute. It means it forms C6H5 C double bond O. Okay, and NH C2H5 means N-methyl benzaamide. N पे क्या लगा हुआ, इथाइल ग्रुप, तो N इथाइल. अब यहाँ पर क्या आ गया, बेंजामाइड. एमाइड ग्रुप कौन सा होता है, सपोज रिंग के साथ CONH2, बेंजामाइड बोलते हैं इसको. तो सेम N इथाइल बेंजीना एमाइड हो गया, BENZAMIDE. So this type of reaction is benzoylation. You take example of aniline. Aniline is aromatic amines. NH2 it reacts with C6H5COCl in the presence of aqueous NaOH. Aqueous NaOH. So it forms NH C double bond O C6H5 plus HCl. Here also plus HCl. ये बन गया आपका N फिनाइल. N पे क्या अटैच हो गया? फिनाइल. और दिस बेंजामाइड. ये बन गया N फिनाइल benzoamide. When reacts with benzyl chloride, it is known as benzylation. When aliphatic or aromatic amines, primary or secondary amines react with acid chloride, it is called acylation.